today. Good morning, children. As we have already practiced in the previous classes, that we have already developed the concept of digits, place and place value and the value. Okay, and we have already also practiced the greatest number one digit up to four digits. Okay, and we have already greatest number, smallest number we have already discussed in the previous classes. Is it clear? Now in today's class we will have to discuss these particular topics. Now in the previous class we have already practiced the place value. In this way we have already practiced this one by taking some examples. Is it clear? So we have to, all these things we have to take example over each and every topic. Is it clear? In today's class the first topic is, as you know, to find out the place value. This one.
सर भेज दिए सर अभी इसी मोबाइल पे
Now
इसी नंबर पर भेज दिए
take
दो
example.
बार
As for example, we take
दो बार भेजे हैं
7,421, and in your textbook it is oftenly seen here the digits is inserted like this. Okay, and some of the example which have that like this.
व्हाट्सएप कर दिए हैं और इसी को भेज दे तो पहले
Is it clear? Now, as you can see here, we have taken two examples here at one time. That is 7,421 and 6,272. Okay. So as we can see here, we have to find out the place value of this encircled number.
दोनों सही है
Is it clear?
दो बार भेजे हैं
Here we can see the 4 occupies the 100 place. As you know, first of all, if you have some confusion, then
ठीक है
arrange the place or allocate the place here like this: 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Take roughly. Is it clear? Now, as you can see, 4 occupies the 4 occupies at 100 place. So each and every place has its own worth. Okay, as we have already discussed in the previous classes also. So 4 has the worth or value about 100. It has the value of 100. So the place value of 4 is what? 4 multiply 100. Now you have confusion that where from we got the 100 here. Now we have already discussed in the previous classes, each and every place has its own value, own worth. Is it clear? So we have got 100 because 100 place has 100 value. Is it clear? So we have to multiply this digit which occupies the 100 place and its value 100. We got 400. Is it clear? Again the second one. Second one here, the place value of 7 is what? As you can see, again you have to put the place here in the top of the digits. Is it clear? So as you can see here, 7 occupies 10th place, and what is the value of this place? What is the value of this 10th place? Is 10. So if you multiply this 7 digits with its value, you will got the place value. With 7 multiply 10 equal to 70. Some of the children have already understand the thing properly, so that they easily do it in a very quick way. But some of the children have some confusion. They don't know where from we got the 70, where from we got the 400 like this. Okay, so in this way, if you have the idea of the value or place or the digits occupies the particular place, you will get the place value easily. Is it clear? In second way, in the second topic, That is, now all the in worksheet number 1 there are some worksheet which is based on this problem. Okay, as you can see in worksheet number 3 or 4, you can find out this particular problem in the chapter, in the unit. So you will try yourself to find out the encircled number place value. You can easily find the place value with the help of like this. Is it clear? Now second, we have to move ahead. That is, we have to discuss the predecessor and this successor. Okay, predecessor and successor. As you know, now tell me, if in your family members, as you can see, there is a grandfather is there, your father is there, and you all of you living together. Okay, now tell me, if I am going to ask who is the older one in your family member, then you can say easily that my grandfather is much older in my family group. So the family which have the greatest value or which have the greatest position, okay, they called predecessors. Means if you put grandfather, okay, now your father and you. Is it clear? Now if you taking father in between these two, is it clear? Now the father's predecessor is grandfather, and who is the successor of father? Yourself. Is it clear? That's why it will be called here predecessor, that is minus 1. Is it clear? And successor means you plus 1 by keeping your father constant. Is it clear? Now in same time, if you take here 7 as an example, then now if I will ask you what is the predecessor of 7, then you will have to subtract minus 1 from 7. You will get 6. That is predecessor of 7 is 6. Now again, if I am going to ask what is the successor of 7, then you will have to do like this, plus 1 means 8. Here as you can see, 6 is the predecessor and 8 is the successor. So some of the worksheets related to these predecessor and successor. If you are asked one more, then what you will do? One more means plus 1, less 1 means minus 1. Okay, sometimes you are asked in the worksheet, what is the predecessor of 2-digit smallest number. Okay, these are the questions we are oftenly asked in your worksheet. Is it clear? So you will have to find the predecessor of which? Of 2-digit smallest number. Here you have to make a concept here. First of all, you have to write the 2-digit smallest number. And what is the 2-digit smallest number? The 2-digit smallest number is 10. Okay. Now from here you will got the predecessor of 10 minus 1. Is it clear? Now you will get 1. I can see in the we can see in the most of the classes that without writing the two-digit number, the children has developed the concept of the any kind of number they imagine in the memory and subtract -1, and they got the wrong digit, wrong number. Okay, first of all you will have to know the greatest digit number and the smallest digit number, as we have already discussed in the previous classes, up to 4 digits. That's why first of all developing the concept of the smallest and greatest number, then you will try this. Now if you have knowledge the 2 digits smallest, 3 digits greatest, then you will easily find out the predecessor. If you have developed this concept once, you will have the knowledge, must have the knowledge of the smallest digit and greatest digit up to 4 digit number. Again, sometimes it is asked also, sometimes it is also asked in the question that what is the successor of 2-digit greatest number. Okay, now without knowing the 2-digit greatest number you cannot find the successor. So first of all we must know that 2 digits greatest, 2 digits smallest, 3 digits greatest, 3 digits smallest, then you can develop this concept. Is it clear? So we have to first put the 2-digit greatest number. What will be the 2-digit greatest number here? 99. 2-digit greatest number will be 99. Now what is the successor? Successor means +1. Successor means +1. Then we have to add +1 and you will get 100. Is it clear? So in this class we have already discussed the previous one, how to find out the place value of inserted number, as the worksheet have some problem related with that topic, and some of the problem related to the predecessor and successor is also there. So you will have to solve each and every problem with the concept of this. Is it clear? Now third topic is that in unit 1 you will have to practice the expanded form of number. What do you mean by expanded form? Okay, expanded means what? To stretch the number. Okay, as you have the garter in your hand, and if you are stretching, what will you will get? It will increase in the length. Okay, so you have to stretch the number in such a way that it will increase in length. Is it clear? So I am taking example 7521. Okay, now you are asked to write down the expanded form. Now expanded form will be written in a 2 ways. Okay, first of all we have to take this, the first way to expand this number like this: 7000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 1. Where from 7000, 520 and 1 you have got here each and every number, as you can see, those one which are added frequently in different terms is the place value. Is the place value. As you can see here, 7000 is the place value of 7. Okay. Now as you can see here, 500 is the place value of 5. Okay. And again it is also the, where from you got 20, the place value 2 multiplied 10. Okay. Now where got from God 1. Okay. Each and every number has place value, and this place value is stretched like this. Okay. Now this is the way of, first way to write the expanded form. First way to expand the number like this easily. Now in the second way you will have to do like this, like 7000 in a word plus 500 plus 2 tens plus 1 1. Is it clear? This is the way you have to write to stress the number or to expand the number like this. These are the problems which are related to your worksheet. We have already practiced some of the problems related to that, and you will have to practice more and more so that it will be easier to you whenever I ask in your examination. Is it clear? So we have already discussed the topics related to the place value and topic related to the predecessor and successor word, topic related to the expanded form of the number as you can see here, and the greatest number and small number we have practiced in the previous classes also. I think, hope you will develop the concept of the all the topics that we have already discussed in today's class. Hopefully you will find the solution after practicing this kind of this class help to you to solve the many more problems at your home. So best of luck and try hard. Okay, thank you.